configuring the file links. What are the file links? As it means links making the connectivity between the one file to another file. One file to another file. The link. Actually, we have heard about the shortcut. Have you used the shortcut in a Windows? Or a quick access bar pinned to the start bar. So what are these? These actually the link. Like for the example, there is a one folder which is exist here in a /home and /home inside the user project 2022 and the old files and management file .txt or the configuration file. So can you imagine to go in this location? This is really tough. So what you can do it, you can create a link to another file. Another file is XYZ file. So when you open this XYZ file, this file will be accessed, means point out. You are creating a point to accessing this file. So linking enables a file name in a one directory, the link, to the point to a file in another directory, means one pointing to another file. Those files having the same content. So ln command is used to creating the link. How will we can create a link? We will discuss. The ext2, ext3, ext4 and xfs, these are the file system which are supporting the hard and symbolic links. So ln is used the option, target name and the link name. This is the syntax of the ln command. But now the question is, this is support a hard and symbolic link. So what is the hard link and the symbolic link? So points directly to the data on the storage device. For the example, what is a file? File actually having some virtual information of the storing the data in specific blocks, because data is stored in a hard disk, and when data is stored in a hard disk, it is stored in the format of the blocks. This block, this block, this block, this block. Every time the data is not stored in a sequence, data is stored in a different blocks. So this file has the entry of the blocks. And when you are creating a hard link with another directory, another file B, so this file also have the entry of the direct here. So this is called the hard link. If you are delete this file, still you can access this file by using the link file. But in a symbolic link having the connectivity with the file only. There is no meaning of the data. There is no connectivity with the data. This is the connectivity of this file. If this file is removed, so the content of the file will not be accessible by the link file. Okay. This is the main difference between this. So how you can check the symbolic link? By using the ls-il command, which will tell you the link is created or not.